Hello everyone. Welcome to the new session of Nutrition in Animals. Today we are going to study a very interesting topic, human teeth. By this time all of you must have experienced the losing of teeth and coming up of new teeth. Yes, humans have two sets of teeth. Those teeth are called milk teeth and permanent teeth. The milk teeth grow during infancy and fall off at the age between 6 to 12 years. And they are 20 in number. So now we will see which kind of milk teeth are present in humans, and we will study the type of teeth with reference to the permanent teeth. So if we see the milk teeth, there are four incisors. You may see the front four teeth on the upper jaw and the front four teeth on the lower jaw. These are the incisors. So there are four incisors on the upper jaw and four incisors on the lower jaw. So there are total of 8 incisors. Adjacent to the incisor, you may notice a pointed teeth on either side. So that is 2 pointed teeth on the upper jaw and 2 pointed teeth on the lower jaw. This teeth is called canine. So there are in total 4 canines in milk teeth. So now we have 4 plus 4 8 and 8 plus 4 12. Adjacent to the canine on either side, you may notice 2 teeth which are having a broader surface. These teeth are the molars. So there are total of 2 plus 2 4 molars on the upper jaw and 2 plus 2 4 molars on the lower jaw. So a total of 8 molars. So if we see the number of teeth in the set of the milk teeth, we find that we have 3 kinds of teeth: incisors plus canines plus molars. Incisors are 4 plus 4 8 in number. Canines are 2 plus 2 4 in number. And molars are 2 plus 2 4 and 2 plus 2 4. That means 8 in number. So there are 20 teeth in the set of the milk teeth. And when the child becomes 6 years, the teeth start to fall. And these teeth, by the year of 12, all the milk teeth are replaced by permanent teeth. So the permanent teeth are the teeth which replace the milk teeth. Now, with reference to the permanent teeth, we will see how many teeth do we have. So there are 4 types of teeth. First one are the incisors. As you see the name, it is coming from incision. Incision means cut. So if you see incisors, again they are front 4 teeth on the upper jaw and the front 4 teeth on the lower jaw. So there are total of 8 incisors. And if you see the surface of incisors, they are flat and they are having flat and sharp edges. You may see the flat surface. So what is the purpose of having this flat and sharp surface? Actually, the flat and sharp edges of incisors help us to cut and bite our food. So basically, incisors are the biting and the cutting teeth. Now you may guess, when you are cutting an apple, which kind of teeth are you using? Yes, definitely for biting and cutting, you are using your incisors. Now coming to the next teeth. If you see the incisors, adjacent to the incisors, you may find a pointed teeth. So if you see the incisors 1, 2 and 3 and 4, this tooth is called canine. So there are 2 canines on the upper jaw and 2 canines on the lower jaw. So 2 on the either side of the incisor. So there are total of 4 canines. If you see the structure of canine, actually they are pointed. Actually, the canines are the strongest teeth which help in tearing. So obviously you might have seen the lion and you might have seen the dogs. Of course, I am talking about carnivorous animals. You might have noticed that they are having very prominent canines. So what is the purpose of having those prominent canines? Yes, because they have to tear their prey. So in order to tear their prey, their canines must be developed. So the carnivorous animals have very prominent canines. Now coming to the premolars. When we try to find the premolars in the set of milk teeth, we do not find any. Actually, milk teeth do not have any of the premolars. So from where do they come and which teeth do they replace? Actually, you might have seen that in the milk teeth there are two molars on either side of the upper and lower jaw. Actually, these molars are replaced by the premolars in adults. It means that when these molars fall off, in place of them in the permanent set of teeth, the premolars come. It means adults are having two premolars. You may see it. These are the two premolars. These teeth, there are two premolars. And these premolars have come by replacement of the two molars of the milk teeth of children. And if you see the structure of a premolar, you may find they are having broad surfaces. What is the purpose of having this broad surface? You might have seen the mortar that is used for grinding. Actually, premolars are the grinding teeth which help to grind the food. So, if you come to the number of premolars, there are 4 in each jaw, means 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side adjacent to the canine, and in the upper jaw 4 and in the lower jaw 4. So, there are total of 8 premolars. Now, if you see the last teeth, these last teeth are the molars, and premolars are coming before the molars. That's why the name is premolars. So if you see the number of premolars, there are 3 on the right side and there are 3 on the left side. These are the molars. Actually, these molars are also having a broad surface and they are also used for grinding. And if you see the total number of molars, it is 6 in each jaw, 3 on the right side, 3 on the left side in the upper jaw. Total becomes 6, and 3 on the right side in the lower jaw and 3 on the left side of the lower jaw. Total 6. So there are total of 12 molars. So if we count the number of teeth in the permanent set of teeth, we find that there are 8 incisors. So 4 kind of teeth we have: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So we find that there are 8 incisors, there are 4 canines, again there are 8 premolars, and there are 12 molars. So 8 plus 12 is 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 plus 12 is 32. So we have 32 number of teeth in our permanent set. Now we may recapitulate what we have learnt. We have learnt that we have 2 kind of teeth. One is the milk teeth, which comes during infancy and fall off at the ages between 6 to 12 years. They are 20 in number and they are replaced by the permanent teeth. And all the teeth are not similar in shape and sizes and function. They vary in shape and sizes and function. And the 4 kind of teeth are incisor which are having flat and sharp edges for biting and cutting. We have canines for tearing of food, and we have premolars for grinding, and which are helped by the molars which also help in grinding. So finally the food is ground by premolars and molars and converted into a thin paste, and so that we may swallow it after digestion. So teeth help us a lot. So most often we take our teeth for granted, but remember they are very important for us because they not only help in digestion of food but also help us to speak, and they also give us a proper face. So now please take care of your teeth. Please brush it properly and keep it safe. I hope you have liked my class. Thank you.